Hello and welcome everyone to ILP Overseas training session on sales and marketing. So we all are gathered here on the training session for the sales and marketing field for the various products and services which are being offered by ILP company. So now firstly coming to ILP, what you know about the ILP? ILP is mainly which is involved in visa counseling, admission counseling and counseling in various colleges and in various countries. So we provide all kinds of services which are needed to get admission in different colleges. And now today, because you all are working in the sales and marketing team, basically you need to go through the all the products and services so that you are able to explain that to your customers and all. So let me share my screen. I hope it's visible. No. So now coming to the homepage of ILP, you can see that the in the homepage of ILP, everything is given about their customer service, about what kind of ILP is providing, about them, the blogs, and whom to get in touch for any kind of services they need and all. So now coming to the main services, the main products which are being provided by ILP. First is the admission, counseling, visa counseling, coaching classes, support service. Now coming to the admission counseling, from the word admission counseling, you can understand it's basically related to admission to various colleges and all. But before getting admission in various colleges, there are certain steps which needs to be fulfilled, which is make sure that ILP takes care of all these things so that you can relax and no need to worry about such things. So first thing is whenever you're going for study abroad or any courses in outside the country, you need to give certain exams like IELTS, GMAT, GRE, and all, or you need to have certain scores or certain criteria to be fulfilled, like minimum 50% or 55%, or any kind of work ex if you have those things you need to fill it up. So ILP takes care of that all these things. So now coming to that, what are the benefits of studying in ILP overseas? Okay, so like people will ask you why I will go through ILP company, why not through other companies. You can give the details like anything, any documents and all which might be needed during the time of the admission and all. You just, we told you now, you don't need to worry about anything. You just can relax and chill. Everything will be taken care by ILP, like from the like whatever letter of recommendation you need for the college, or any kind of resume building, or any kind of thing you need to add in your resume or CV, or like some colleges ask for some essays in English about a particular topic. All things are being taken care by the ILP so that your team doesn't need to um, your customers doesn't need to worry about anything. Okay, second is another thing, we have introduced one like we are using AI things also, which checks your like which go through the customers details and all, and then provide them with certain colleges and all which matches their preference, so that you don't need to keep a list, make a big list and all. This all thing will be taken care by our company, and it will be AI driven, and accurately results of the particular colleges which matches your curriculum, your everything will be given to you. Okay. Next is another we try to give a scholarship and fee waiver at ILP overseas. So the meritorious students, sometimes the students because of lack of money and all, they are not able to go for the foreign education. But in our company, if someone is doing really well in the IELTS score, or it's really well in the academic and all, we give the scholarship and all, and some parts percentage of fee waiver also we try to give them, so that they don't face any issue while going for education outside the country. So this was all about our admission counseling. Next one we are is about visa counseling. So now coming to visa counseling. After going for the admission, after you have chosen the colleges, you might face issue with the visa. Visa is not a like a simple process like you just go and get it. It doesn't work like that. It's a long way process. People like you get an appointment and they ask you lots of question and all. So ILP takes care of that also. Like it's a like a package service you are getting. Like if you get it admission to any colleges, then don't worry about the visa thing also. That services also we provide. We have a connection in the visa, and we have a department for that, only particular department which takes care of all of visa counseling papers and all. how you need to present yourself for the papers and what the kind of papers you need, documents, everything will be taken care by the visa team. And in the visa counseling, you mainly go through the interviews and all. Also you can see that that also we are taking care of, so that people don't get rejected in the interview, because 100%, 90% of the kids and the students gets rejected in the interview process only. So we make sure you pass that interview, because it's like after getting your admission, if you miss if you get rejected because of your visa, then it really feels bad. So we take care of that also. Then also requirement of documents, like you can just relax and sit. You don't need to know that what documents are needed. We will be taking care of. We will be providing you what documents needed, like valid passport, proof of bona fide resident, financial elucidation, language proficiency, everything they will be providing you. And if the other thing is there, that also they check. Okay. Then they guide you through the visa counseling thing also, like how to prepare the application, what things needs to be done, how the presentation to be done, do's and don'ts, then visa mock interviews, information letters, rules and personal approach. Because during this time of COVID, lots of rules and regulations have changed for the visa counseling and all. So we make sure that we keep you updated about all the rules and regulations, and we make sure that you fit into those rules and regulations, so that your visa process is going very smoothly. Next comes the coaching classes. So now, before getting into admissions, before getting into any colleges and all, you need to go through IELTS exam, GRE, GMAT, lots of exam based on that colleges and all. So now students might need a coaching things also, like because it needs a very hard coaching and very lots of dedication and all. So we provide that coaching classes for different subjects and all, for GMAT and for GRE and IELTS, TOEFL, everything we provide, so that the student doesn't lack in getting passing those score marks for that exam and all. And like anything, any doubt clearing classes also we provide. And now we are, and like online like doubt clearing classes, because in like people because of the COVID, now we are adapted to the virtual technology and now, so we try to provide them online coaching classes also. And then any kind of doubt clearing they have for the subject and all. And on that coaching classes, every day they will be having exams and all, where they will be given scores, so that they know where they're lagging and how to need to prepare. Every student will be given, each and every student will be given importance to them. We have counselors and all who will be direct connecting with the students if they're facing any issues or any subject issues and all, or any kind of issue with the like the whole process and all. We have counselors, they can take care of that. And so like it's like a package process for you. Like if you are planning for study abroad, if you are going for to study outside the country, then you don't need to worry. You come to one company, everything will be provided, from coaching classes to uh, visa counseling to admission counseling, till you don't get the admission to that particular college or whatever preference colleges. We take care of everything. Next is supports and services. Supports and services are mostly our customer service. So we don't stop there. Like after you're done with our admission, after you're done with a visa or coaching, we don't stop there. We keep our customer service 24/7. You have any issue, you have any query to raise, or you face any problem after going to that particular country, or you have any issue with the education loan, foreign exchange, student insurance, travel ticketing, extra baggage, accommodation, anything which is not related to visa or not related to education or coaching. Apart from that, other issues we take care of it, like your education loan, because like in any country they need that money thing, like you have a particular amount in your account, so then only they provide you the admission and all. So we take care of that also, that from particular bank and all you get the education loan properly. And then foreign exchange, then the ticketing thing and all, that you go and settle up properly there. Or the accommodation thing, like you go and like if we don't someone there, or if our someone is there, we help you to get accommodation assistance there. And then the pickup from the airport, that they drop you there, then they pick you up from there. All the things that been taken care by our customer service. So I would just preferably tell that when you are going for ILP, it's like one package, and it's full everything. In that one package, everything is there, and everything is taken care for your study abroad. You don't need to worry about. You just need to choose which college you want, take the proper coaching from ILP. And after that, you go for the admission counseling, which colleges will choose, which will be taken care of by our team and the AI driven team also. And then the visa counseling process also, you don't need to worry. After everything is done, your foreign exchange, your education loan, your student insurance, travel ticketing, extra baggage, everything will be taken care by our company. So it's a one package and you will be getting everything. Thank you. I hope it's clear. Thanks to everyone. And you can go through their website for any kind of services and all. And if you still face any issue, you can get in touch with contact us and we will surely contact you